Looking for the ultimate survival machete without wasting your money? We have tested and ranked some of the most sought-after survival machetes on Amazon, analyzing their blade strength, durability, grip, chopping abilities, and value. Our biggest revelation? The top-rated survival machete is not the most expensive one, the price of which is significantly lower than that of its premium counterparts. Number 1. Barebones NATA Tool. The Barebones Japanese NATA Hatchet is an all-purpose outdoor tool which combines the functionality of a hatchet and a machete. This model has a 7-inch knife made out of durable 4CR14MOV stainless steel. It is designed with the help of high-quality materials and will be easy to maintain. This type of stainless steel ensures good edge retention and sharpness. As for construction, the product features full tang and can be used for medium to heavy-duty jobs like wood chopping, brushing clearing, branch trimming, and other work. In addition to that, it can be used for cooking food outdoors. It comes with a comfortable ergonomic walnut handle and copper lanyard ring to reduce the risk of injury and vibration during work. This hatchet is stored in a tough 900D polyester canvas sheath with heavy-duty rivets, leather strap, and metal belt clip. Price is $94.99. Number 2. Schrade SCHKM1. The Schrade SCHKM1 is a rugged full-tang Kukri machete that is ideal for survival, bushcraft, and other outdoor activities. This 13.3-inch Kukri machete made from 3CR13 stainless steel boasts an anti-corrosive black powder coating and forward-weighted design to enable powerful chopping of branches, vines, and small trees. The rubber handle is fitted with texture, a palm swell, flared butt end, and lanyard hole to give users more control of the knife during powerful chopping. It measures 19.7 inches and weighs 1.44 pounds. This machete is shipped with a multifunctional sheath that has shoulder, belt, and leg carrying capability and a removal storage pouch. Other accessories include a ferro fire starter and striker plate and 4-inch diamond field sharpener. Number 3. Gerber Gator Machete. Gerber Gator Machete is a multifunctional outdoors instrument that can be used for camping, hunting, gardening, and bushcraft activities. This knife has 18.75-inch total length that consists of 11.25-inch full-tang blade made from high-carbon steel. This knife has a very sharp blade on one side, while on the other side you have a cross-cut saw teeth. It will be perfect for clearing bushes and sawing small branches. The durable nylon handle is made from glass-filled nylon material that has Gerber's trademark Gator grip that makes your grip safe and comfortable even when the weather is bad. This knife is only 14.3 ounces, and it is equipped with the sheath that has a belt loop and a lanyard. Gerber Gator Machete costs only $28.95. Number 4. Cold Steel Kukri Machete. It is a hard-wearing yet affordable outdoor knife that is modeled after the traditional Gurkha Kukri. Being made of strong 1055 carbon steel with an anti-rust black-baked coating, the 13-inch blade of this knife offers superb chopping and cutting qualities for different outdoor activities. Its full tang design is completely enclosed in a comfortable polypropylene handle to ensure you have a firm hold regardless of conditions. It has a 2.8mm thick blade, a 5-inch handle, and weighs only 16 ounces, which makes it light enough for comfortable carrying in your belt or backpack without compromising on its powerful design. Number 5. Woodman's Pal Machete. Woodman's Pal Machete is an expensive American-made clearing machete which is made with quality materials to ensure durability and effectiveness outdoors. This machete has a highly sharpened sickle blade that is made of thick 1075 carbon steel and measures 1/8 inches thick. It is perfect for clearing and cutting, chopping, pruning, and blazing trails. It is well balanced to allow the user to swing the machete with precision while being able to cut through saplings that are 1.5 inches thick with one swing. There are two types of handles to choose from. A traditional stacked leather handle with a steel knuckle guard, or a comfortable ashwood handle with finger grooves. A handcrafted buffalo leather sheath is included in the machete. This machete sells at $149.95. Number 6. Cold Steel Black Bear. Cold Steel Black Bear is an excellent fixed blade knife for tough outdoor applications and knife enthusiasts who want to own something that has been manufactured to premium standards. This is because the knife features an 8.25 inches blade made from VG10 Sanmai 3 stainless steel material, which is very sharp, tough, and resistant to corrosion. The blade is complemented by full tang fitted with black G10 hand-shaped scales, which have been fastened using 6 stainless steel pins for durability. Furthermore, it has a sub-hilt made of steel, which ensures the hand does not slide onto the blade while doing heavy-duty cutting. There is also a Securex belt sheath included for safe carrying. Number 7. Spetsnaz Survival Machete. Number 8. Camillus Carnivore X Machete. Camillus Carnivore X Machete is a multi-purpose outdoor equipment that will come in handy when hunting, camping, hiking, and surviving outdoors. It has a total length of 18 inches and a highly durable 12-inch 420 stainless steel blade that comes with titanium bonding, which makes it about 3 times stronger than ordinary metal, thus resisting corrosion and sharpened better. The blade serves several purposes. It chops, saws, digs, chisels, and cuts the brush effectively. One notable feature of this machete is that it comes with a trim knife that can be detached from it and comes in its own nylon holster. This is an extra tool useful for making fine cuts. The machete also comes with a ballistic nylon sheath for easy carrying and safety. Number 9. Cold Steel Katana Machete. Cold Steel Tactical Katana Machete is the combination of the classic look of a katana sword and the durability of a modern machete. Having an overall length of 36.25 inches, it is equipped with a heavily curved 24-inch blade made of strong 1055 carbon steel with a matte black baked finish which provides perfect corrosion resistance. Its full tang construction and steel guard ensure high durability and provide safety while performing any hard cutting. The ergonomic 12.25-inch polypropylene handle offers great comfort of use at any weather conditions. Thanks to the blade's thickness of 2.8 mm, it will perfectly serve for clearing of brush, trail building, camping, and outdoor survival. Number 10. SOG Jungle Primitives. The SOG Jungle Primitive is an extremely robust survival machete designed for camping, hiking, hunting, and challenging outdoor tasks. It has an 8CR13MOV stainless steel blade with hard-cased black finish measuring 15.3 inches in total length. The blade is equipped with a sawback spine, which makes it more versatile and allows one to chop saplings, branches, and any other hard material. Weighing only 14 ounces, this machete is very lightweight, but still possesses impressive cutting power. Ergonomic Creighton DigiGrip handle gives users maximum comfort and a good grip on this survival tool in any condition, whether wet or dry. A ballistic nylon sheath with a storage pouch and belt loop is included into the package. Thank you for tuning in. We are sure that the above list has helped you choose the best survival machete in accordance with your budget and preferences. Don't forget to like our video and leave your feedback regarding your choice of machete in the comments section below. See you in the next video.